everyone, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you how this table runner gave my table that touch I was looking for. I've been in love with this macrame table runner by SnugLife. This is a 13 by 72 inch long and it falls just perfectly. I love how it gave my home this cozy, warm, inviting feel. I really liked that it has a very minimalist look with a neutral color that it's perfect for year-round. I adore my table with this table runner. It just looks beautiful. I really appreciate that SnugLife shows you how to measure up for the perfect fit. As you can see, this will go well in every table. This is hand-woven macrame. It's very unique and this would make the perfect gift. So if you're looking to upgrade your dining table, definitely check this table runner out, and that is my point of view.